This is my new Insta360 camera with an invisible selfie stick. Let's see what happens when we approach a tree. Take a look inside. Hello there, tree. Hello. I'm using Bluetooth headphones, Bluetooth microphone. Microphone is on my t-shirt, a lavalier type microphone. We'll see how the quality goes. Oh, look at here. It's a beautiful little birch tree starting to turn autumn color. A friend of mine thought that there's some disease in the trees this year, and that's why only some of the leaves are starting to turn. We'll see. Mainly, I'm heading down to my apple trees. These are trees that I planted about 20 years ago as sprouts, 2 feet high, and now, geez, they're 20 feet high. And look at those apples. Amazing. Yeah, let's get immersive and look at these apples inside the tree. These are called Renetka apples. They're kind of a tart, sour apple. Another tall tree. This selfie pole that I'm using, it's 9 feet long. I'm supposed to be able to get something that looks like maybe a cool drone shot with it. We'll see. Let's try the droney thing here on this tree. Extending the pole out as far as it goes. All right, here's my apple tree. And up we go into the tree. Hello, tree. And hello, apples. Look at you. Aha. Coming back down to the next apple tree. These apples aren't quite as big. Let's see what it's like editing on this. There's a bunch of apples. How about them apples? All right. Coming down out of the apple tree, again with the selfie stick. It should look like I'm just by myself, walking by myself. Maybe one stiff arm, the right arm, looking a little stiff because it's holding the pole. But we're coming up on another apple tree. Let's see what the apples look like in here. I know I'm moving around a lot. This isn't probably not going to seem very cinematic. Slow down just a little bit. Yeah. 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 Well, with this 9-foot pole, I gotta admit my hand's getting a little tired. There. I moved it into a more comfortable position. Should look like I'm just walking around by myself. And then I've got a photographer right in front of me shooting all this really cool video. Let's see what the squirrels have to say over in the pine trees. Hey, squirrely. Do you have anything to say about this? That, ladies and gentlemen, is my first real outdoor test of the new Insta360 camera.